The 2025 Buick Encore GX is here, and it's redefining what a compact crossover can be. This updated model combines style, performance, and luxury in a way that promises to impress both long-time Buick enthusiasts and first. Today, we're diving deep into everything this vehicle has to offer, from its striking exterior to its luxurious interior and impressive performance capabilities. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Encore GX boasts a bold and refined design. The signature Buick grille has been redesigned for a more modern and confident look, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility. Its sculpted lines and aerodynamic silhouette not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve its efficiency on the road. The 18-inch or optional 20-inch alloy wheels give it a sporty yet sophisticated stance, while the two-tone color options add a personalized touch. Whether parked or in motion, the Encore GX turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an upscale interior that combines comfort and technology seamlessly. The cabin is spacious, offering ample room for passengers and cargo. Premium materials are used throughout, with soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery, giving it a luxurious feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated Buick Virtual Cockpit system, featuring dual 10-25-inch screens, one for the driver display and one for the infotainment system. The infotainment system is intuitive and comes with built-in navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports ensure you stay connected and powered up on the go. Additional features like the available head-up display and Bose premium audio system elevate the driving experience to a whole new level. Practicality hasn't been overlooked. The Encore GX offers flexible seating configurations, with the rear seats folding down to provide up to 50 cubic feet of cargo space. Whether you're grocery shopping, heading on a road trip, or carrying sports gear, this crossover is ready for the task. Under the hood, the 2025 Encore GX offers two turbocharged engine options: a 1.2-liter and a 1.3-liter, both paired with a smooth shifting CVT or available all-wheel drive with a 9-speed auto. The 1.3-liter engine delivers a robust 155 horsepower and ensures brisk acceleration for city driving and confidence on the highway. Fuel efficiency is also impressive, making it an economical choice for daily commute. The ride quality is one of its standout features. Buick's quiet-tuning technology minimizes road noise, creating a serene cabin environment. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps with ease while maintaining a composed feel in corners. All-wheel drive models add extra traction for those tackling challenging weather conditions or venturing off the beaten path. It is a top priority in the Encore GX, and it comes loaded with advanced driver assist technologies. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Upgrading to higher trims unlocks options like adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and parking assist, making every journey safer and stress-free. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Buick Encore GX starts at a competitive base price of around $26,000, with the top-tier Avenir trim coming in at just under $34,000. Considering the level of luxury, technology, and performance it offers, the Encore GX is an excellent value proposition in its class. The 2025 Buick Encore GX perfectly balances style, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a compact crossover or someone who loves weekend getaways, this vehicle has something for everyone. It's more than just a car. It's a statement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Buick Encore GX. Until next time, drive safe.